The next concept we are going to learn is Lamparativ. Lamparativ is to give an instruction or an order. So let us learn this by taking the example of a verb manger. Now the imperative exists only for 3 of the subjects. It is either tu or nous or vous. Tu, nous or vous. So what is the conjugation of manger for tu, nous and vous? It is mange, mangions, manger. So now if you say mange, it means eat. So all these mean the same thing. It is the imperative. You give an order or a command. To make this negative, simple, you have to add ne before and pas after. Ne mange pas, ne mangeons pas, ne mangez pas. So these are simple. The imperative is very simple. One word makes the whole sentence. It is a command. So a single word is enough to convey what we want to say. So another example is the verb sortir. So the tu conjugation for sortir is sort. For nous it is sortons. For vous it is sortez. So how would you make this negative? Ne sort pas. You have to add ne before and pas after. Ne sortons pas and ne sortez pas. So this is how you write the imperative. Next we are going to see how to write the imperative for the verbs that are reflexive. Now for a reflexive verb, we can't write it as such. So now what did I tell you? For imperative, we have only 3 subjects. They are tu, nous and vous. Now what is the tu conjugation for lever? It is te lève. Te lève. Now how do we write this in the imperative? This te is replaced by the pronoun tonic, toi. Lave toi. So to wake yourself. Lave toi. Lève toi. Now the next one is for nous. For nous it is levons. Similarly, the reflexive is nous. Levons nous. And for vous, the conjugation is lever. Levez-vous. So this alone is slightly different. Lève-toi. The lève becomes lève-toi. So this is how you write. Now how to write this in the negative? In the negative, it is the same. Now for the tu conjugation for se lever is, as we already told, it is te lève. Te lève. So you have to add ne and pas. Simple. So in the negative, it is the same. Ne and pas. Just you have to write as it is, the conjugation, and ne and pas. In the affirmative, in the positive, we have a slight difference. Now for nous, it is nous élevons, and to make it negative, ne pas. Then for vous, vous levez. To make it negative, we write ne and pas. So this is how you write the imperative for the reflexive verbs. So you know how to write the imperative form of the reflexive verb.